The cultural heritage items and sites that we're going through preserving at the moment, that represents the history of our nation and our nation's Indigenous people. So we need to show that history the respect it deserves. And if we set things up right from the beginning, then that positive culture is going to flow on the entire project. So there's been continuous consultation with the local Aboriginal parties. These guys, along with our archaeologists, are a wealth of knowledge for the local area. You know, that kind of input's invaluable to the project.
It was a secret place, a beautiful place for them to live. This is the good opportunity for all of us to know what's actually Addy Lane.
I specialise in Aboriginal archaeology. There are a lot of surface artefacts in this area, but what you mostly find subsurface here in this area is shell midden. They're much better preserved than what we find on the surface, so we can get samples for dating to find out how old those sites are. It helps us to understand when, where and how they were using the landscape.
When you see a big heap of shell in the one area, that's probably where they camped and had their big feed and everything.
We actually found a couple of little grinding stones, probably that round, grind the seeds and stuff.
We did expect to find a lot of cultural material here north of Lake Victoria. This was an archaeologically and culturally significant landscape, so as much material as possible will be returned to country.
The spirits are always around watching us, and not only that, if you do wrong, take stuff, yeah, you will get sick.
They occupied this land here. They're our ancestors, and we just want to keep that tradition for our younger people here.
Proud of looking after what they left. That's what I tell some of my workers. Just be proud of what you're doing, because our ancestors roamed out here. They could have left it for us to find.